Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I want to share how to cut a flower shaped fabric with soldering iron. This is a great tool because we can cut and seal at the same time. This tool works great on tulle fabric, satin, chiffon, organza, lining fabric and crepe fabric, but unfortunately it doesn't work on cotton fabric. So these are the materials we need. This is a soldering iron. It actually comes with a bigger tip. You can see the difference here. I bought a smaller tip because this bigger tip is great to cut a straight line like this. But if you want to cut a small detail like this flower shape or scallop, it's better to use this smaller tip. And this is a soldering iron stand. I use a ceramic tile for the cutting board. This is just a regular ceramic tile. And then a flower template. This is the most important. I'll show you how to make these templates. To make the template we need a can. This is just a regular drink can. A marker, your desired flower template and scissors. Now let's cut the template. So this is our flower shape and draw this shape on the can. I love using a drink can because it's the cheapest and easiest I can get. Now cut the can, and it will be a little difficult, so I'm using the bigger scissors. And now we have done the template, and these are my templates that I made. So to make the template, you need to print out on a paper and then cut the paper and draw it on the drinking can, then cut, and it's done. Now let's cut the fabric with the template we just made. First, prepare the ceramic tile as the cutting board. Put the fabric and heat up the soldering iron and put the template and start cutting. Be extra careful because it's really hot. The fabric has been cut, and the best thing is it will not fray. Let's try cutting the tulle fabric. Now, this is the perfectly cut fabric. With a drink can, we can make any template we want. Like this, I made a scallop template and get the scallop fabric. It was perfectly cut. For a starter, you can try cutting satin or broken ribbons. Just draw a straight line. I really love this tool because it cuts and seals at the same time. If you have any question, please leave a comment below. I would love to help. And remember to subscribe. Thanks for watching.